Welcome to Trading Sadhguru. So, whatever we have discussed in our weekly video on both Bank Nifty and Nifty. So, our assessment, our understanding, our analysis came true. So, the moment here, let us check first. First, we'll take Bank Nifty. This is one-day chart. The moment it has reached 42,700 levels. So, today high made is 42,715. So, high is 42,715. And it could not breach the 20 period moving average that is now falling around 42,622. So this is 42,622. It tested this level, went up to 715. So we have been discussing that the levels on the upside are 42,750 to 770 maximum it can go, and then it will return back to its normal course of action, that is the downward direction. The same thing happened today also. So high made is 42,715 and the low made is 42. So this low is 42,066 and it closed around 42,167. So what is the way forward here? So if you look at the closure around these levels, here you can see that it is testing the lower end of the range the very next day. The very next day it is testing the lower levels. So what are the levels possible in Bank Nifty for tomorrow? On the downside, 42,070, 41,877, 41,756. On the upside, 42,371, 42,483, 42,559, followed by 42,674. So it may test this 877, 827 to 877, 42,000, 41,000. This range may get tested tomorrow, and from there you may even reverse. So both the moves, upside and downside, are possible. So you have to be very careful and you have to be alert when the market reverses. So better is you wait for this level to be breached, 877 level to be breached, and allow the Bank Nifty to form the bottom. From there you can take a positive trade, that is on the upside. Or else if there is any gap up or early morning, if the peak is formed somewhere within the first candle or 30 minutes, within first 30 minutes. So if you look at 42,650 to 750, you just can go for a trade on the downside that Bank Nifty will fall towards 42,250 to 150 level. So only thing is you won't take a trade in between. If you take a trade in between, also take in the both directions and square off as soon as you reach your levels. So best thing is to wait for the top or bottom to form, that is 42,650 to 750 on the higher side, and 42,000, 41,750 to 850. So on a conservative side, 41,827 to 877. In between you find the number, you can take a trade in the positive direction for intraday basis. In a larger time frame, in a weekly perspective or a daily candle perspective, you may expect the market to breach this lower end and go further down. It is very much possible. You cannot rule out this possibility. You have to bear this in mind if you are carrying overnight positions. If you look at intraday action of Bank Nifty, you can see that in the first 5 minutes, first candle on the top is made. From there, it has seen a continuous movement toward the downside from where there is one minor reversal, and then again it has given up all the gains before it closed. This is a 1 hour chart of Nifty, and this trend line is holding good even today. It tried to breach this level, so it broke this level 17,994, and the high made is 18,049, and the low made is 17,853. So this 850 to 55, 17,850 to 55 is acting as a strong support for almost 3 weeks. So we are coming. So you may see a big move, either a breakdown or a breakout. If you see this pattern, support is there and it is coming near the support, and resistance is coming down. So finally, it is most likely that it will breach on the downside. At the same time, from the longer time frame perspective, so anything is possible. So from a shorter time frame perspective as well as longer term frame perspective, we'll look for a big downward move, as we have discussed earlier, that it is forming higher high, lower high, lower low, and then again lower low formation. So we strongly believe that the market may come down in the coming few days. So as of now, whatever we had discussed in our weekly video for Nifty, that holds good. And if you want to me to specifically write the levels on the downside, 17,860, 17,790, 17,710 for tomorrow, 17,911 on the upside, 17,956, 18,077. These are the most likely levels for tomorrow, that is 17th of January 2023. So whenever you come near 17,850 levels, there is a chance to bounce till this resistance line, red line, and these lows are continuously coming down and down. So you may not breach of this level, and 17,787 level is also possible. So take your trades accordingly. Don't lose much of your capital. Make use of stop loss orders. That's all for today. Take care. Bye bye.